Are you feeling all sad and depressed because the love of your life just dumped you? Have you been trying for years and you just can't find that perfect girl? Well, follow our step and we'll show you how to get the ring by spring. Step 1. Find any woman that looks single.
Hey, is your name Faith? Because you're the substance of all things I've ever hoped for.
Oh, sorry. I have a boyfriend.
Hey,
Hey.
I've been reading the book of Numbers and realized I don't have yours.
Oh, well, I'll give it to you right now.
Here it goes.
Step 2. Slide into the DMs.
Oh, I think that guy from class just texted me.
No way.
He asked,
What's it say?
how can I pray for you?
Oh my goodness. Total hottie.
Wow. Okay, what should I say? How about,
Ask him if he wants to eat with you, like have lunch.
so like Chick-fil-A, like maybe like 6 or something?
Yes, definitely.
Step 3. Ask them out and ask them to be your girlfriend.
Amen. I feel like God is leading you into my life. Will you be my girlfriend?
Oh my god!
Step number 4. Ask the girl's father for his blessing.
Hello, sir. I would like your blessing to marry your daughter.
Do you feel like you can financially support her?
Yes.
Are you willing to take care of the rest of her college tuition and her student loans?
Yes.
You have my blessings.
The final step, step number 5, is the engagement.
I know I've only known you for 20 minutes now, but I can't imagine the rest of my life without you. Sarah, will you marry me?
Yes!
And this is how you get a ring by spring.